Welcome everyone, you are on the iOS 16 beta, but now you would like to opt out. In order to do so, I want you to open up the settings app. From here, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see General. You're then going to scroll until you see VPN and Device Management. Tap on this one. So from here, you're going to see Configuration Profiles, and you will see all of these profiles right here. You want to check if you have the iOS 16 beta software profile. If you do, that means you are in the iOS 16 beta program. If you do not have the iOS 16 beta profile, then you already opted out of the beta program, okay? So let's tap on the beta profile. We'll tap on remove profile. You now need to enter in your passcode. Tap on remove. It will ask for the restart. This is not required. Now you will not receive any more beta versions of iOS 16 in your device. Well, if you're watching this far, you may be going to the software update page and you don't see a regular version of iOS 16. The reason why is either A, the last beta you are running is the same as the public release. For example, iOS 16 RC is the same as iOS 16 public, so there will not be another update here. Or B, your beta version is too new, okay? With the software update page, you can only update your iOS and not downgrade. So if you're on, for example, iOS 16.1 beta 2, but there is no public version of iOS 16.1, then you're going to have to wait until there is a public version, and when there is, you'll be able to update to it. With that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.